It's early in the morning and it's raining outside, but I got stuffs. I've got some sound dampening material from Rockville. This is their RM12. I got black. You won't be able to see it because it'll be behind the panels, the trim panels and everything. I will show you the sound system that I currently have. It's one singular 12 and it's extremely potent, but vibrates my trunk. I have already started to remove things. I have a Scar Audio 12-inch. I don't even remember the model of the sub, but it's just one sub. It gets beat on. You see all the scarring. That's why I didn't go for some super expensive model, JL or anything like that. I'm kind of an audiophile, but not really. See all the trash. My trunk gets use. This is not a show car. My trunk gets use. I have daughters. We do softball. I throw it back here. I've got a minivan, if anybody was wondering. But I do have, I have daughters, and this trunk gets used. So anyway, I'm gonna disconnect all this stuff, pull all this crap out, and see if I can't start cleaning it up. So I've got it removed. I have that down. Actually, I want to take that out. But anyway, make sure you tape off your power and your ground wire. You don't need those touching anything and arcing out. So I'll get all this stuff removed, or as much as I'm going to remove. I'm going to do down here the lid and probably these side panels. You find in the trunk when you start digging. Oh, what is that? It's like a bunch of little connectors. It did have the jack here, the factory OEM, whatever. Yeah, I pulled it out. I have no use for it. Okay, so I have prepared the surfaces that I'm going to apply the sound deadening to. This is the trunk lid. We're going to go up underneath there. Again, this isn't going to be like some super serious installs, just to try to stop some of the plapping. We're going to go down in here. I got to get that more cleaned out. So we're going to get all that stuff done, and I will show you once it's installed. This is what one sheet of the material looks like. Got the trusty dusty roller. This stuff is thick, it's very sticky, and it's not made to come back off once you put it on, so just be careful where you apply it. I'm not really going to follow my own rules, but yeah, this is for you. Not break out the heat gun to manipulate some of this stuff to work. But it's going. Is it perfect? No. Is it pretty good for a guy who doesn't do this? No. It's pretty shitty, but it's going to work. I am not a sound guy. I'm just a dad on YouTube trying to make less sounds. Okay, in all this wonderful stuff, I forgot to mention, you got a dyno mat underneath your license plate, or that's going to vibrate like nuts too. I'm about at the end of my sound deadening material. I don't have much left. So I actually have to stop. I'm going to order some more, but I'm going to install everything and see if there's any difference. But yeah, I'm all done because I'm out of material. I got one sheet left, and I kind of wanted to wait and see if I needed to put it anywhere specific. I didn't have to take these panels off because behind them is all foam, this styrofoam stuff here. So I'm kind of waiting to see if it worked, if it didn't work, or whatever the case, or how much more I'm going to need. I only ordered like 2 packs of it. It was like about 40 bucks a piece. I got it on eBay. And I might have to order like one giant roll because I want to do my door panels in the inside, a little more involved job and all that, just to kind of help with road noise and make the sound inside better. Update on the dyno mat situation, the sound deadening. I installed it. It's been about 4 days, or 3 days, sorry. 3 days since I put it in. It's noticeably different inside the car. You hear a little more crisp bass, but it's not like a big, huge difference. I won't say that. I wouldn't say that it's necessary, but for the outside of the car, world of difference. It's just way less plapping.